Assalamualaikum everyone. I wanted to show you how to add prayer times for 2026 to your Google Calendar. This is an example where every prayer time will be on your calendar automatically for the whole year. Um, and this way you can have the prayer times on your phone without needing to download an app and have ads pop up. Um, so the first thing you want to do is you want to go to islamicfinder.org, islamicfinder.org, and then you're going to click on all prayer times. And then if you scroll down a little bit, you will find a prayer timetable. So click on yearly and then click on download. And then you're just going to copy everything on all the prayer times. So I'm just going to copy, and then I'm going to go to Excel, and starting in A1, I'm going to paste. And then if you don't already have the developer tab on your Excel, you're going to go to File, Options, and then Customize Ribbon. And then you're going to find here on the right-hand side, Developer. You're going to want to put a check mark next to that. So once you've done that, you can go to Developer and click on Visual Basic. You're going to find workbooks that you have open. I suggest that you close everything except that the workbook that you pasted in. And then you're going to go to the name of the workbook. You're going to right click, insert, module. And then after that, I have code that I have posted on my YouTube channel under posts. You're going to copy that code starting from sub cleanup until the bottom and sub. So you're going to copy that code. You're going to go back to your Visual Basic and you're going to paste it. After that, you're going to go back to your Excel workbook. And then you're going to go to, under the developer tab, you're going to go click on macros. And then under this workbook, you're going to see cleanup. Click on cleanup and then click on run. And then this puts it in the format needed to be imported into your Google Calendar. So the next thing you want to do is you're going to go to File Save As. And then you're going to want to save it as a CSV. And then you're going to want to save it. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to save it as that. And then it's going to tell you that CSVs can only have one tab. So just click on OK. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go to your Google Calendar. You're going to scroll down to Other Calendars. And you're going to say Create New Calendar. And then let's say I name it Prayer Times 2026. And then Create Calendar. And then you're going to go back and then scroll down. And again, under Other Calendars, you're going to go click on Import. And then make sure that you select the name of the calendar that you just created. And then you're going to select File from Computer. And then the name of the file. And then you're going to click on Import. And then it should take like a few minutes. Even if it tells you there's an error or something like that. Usually just wait a few minutes, 3 to 5 minutes. Refresh your Google Calendar and hopefully you should find it. Import it in. And if it doesn't work, just try importing it again. And then afterwards, you can actually go back to your calendar, click on the three dots next to the name of it, and click on Settings. And then if you scroll down, you'll be able to add notifications. So you can, make it so that basically 10 minutes before the next prayer, you get a notification on your phone in case you happen to forget or something like that. So other than that, that's all you need to do to have prayer times for 2026 on your calendar. Thanks. Assalamu alaikum, everyone.